Title: Awakening a First-Century Ecological Intelligence. Across history, humanity has repeatedly discovered the same truth. Nature regenerates best when we work with it, not against it. This understanding, what we now call ecological intelligence, was already being applied more than 2,000 years ago. As early as the 1st century, farmers in China protected seeds by encasing them in clay and soil, allowing them to survive birds, drought, and harsh conditions until rain and warmth triggered growth. During the Roman Empire, similar protected seed dispersal supported land recovery after cultivation and conflict. In Japan, this same principle endured for centuries, evolving into earthbound seed balls refined through natural farming traditions. Different cultures, the same ecological solution. Clay shielded the seed. Soil nourished it. Moisture activated life. Humans did not control outcomes. They respected nature's timing. This was not primitive agriculture. It was applied ecological intelligence. As industrial farming expanded, this knowledge faded. Landscapes became uniform. Wildflowers declined. Pollinators disappeared. Nature shifted from partner to resource, and ecosystems weakened as a result. Today, this ancient intelligence is being responsibly reawakened. Seed bombs, especially when made with native wildflower seeds, are now recognized as a simple, science-aligned way to restore biodiversity, rebuild soil health, and support pollinators across local communities. Seed bombs are not a trend, they are a remembered method. And when we return seeds to the land with respect and patience, the land remembers what to do. Visit the Seed Bomb Shop. Link is in the video description below. Thanks for watching. Please give this video a click on the like button